No, to have.
You've never played with Play-Doh?
Yes.
You have. Do you have Play-Doh at home?
Uh-huh.
Do you have Play-Doh at home?
But you haven't played with it for a while.
I have Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's cat. Sometimes
It's in your.
I have Play-Doh in my home.
It's in your closet.
sometimes it can be kind of messy.
Oh, messy?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Messy. Just
Yep.
stickers.
Sometimes people don't like it because it's so messy. But
Stickers?
the bigger the mess, the better. I say.
Stickers?
Yeah, but that's for a different project.
No, not stickers.
Yeah, those are stickers. We're gonna play with some other things that can ever open this silly thing. Why is everything so hard to open?
What's that one? Garbage bagger.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Where did I put that? What did I do with the garbage? Oh, here it is. Put it in this bag.
That garbage?
Yeah, yeah. Nicholas can throw away the garbage on his own.
And then scissors?
Mm-hmm. And the trash goes in the garbage. That's really easy to do all by yourself.
What are you doing?
You gotta cut this off to open it up.
Are my scissors?
Those are for you. Do you use scissors at school?
No.
You have to be careful with those. Here, let Mom
I want to do it.
No, I don't need them anymore.
That's my paper.
That's for the paper. Okay,
I
hurry.
do myself a paper.
Okay, we're not ready to play with the paper quite yet. Which color are you gonna play with?
I got Thomas.
Thomas?
Thomas. Where? Thomas. Where I have Thomas?
Thomas?
Thomas have color?
Well, Thomas is blue. You want to play with blue?
What's it, Thomas?
Thomas is blue and red.
Gordon got blue and Thomas got blue.
Right.
Gordon got
But you have to leave those over there. That's different.
It's same.
Oh. Okay, I'm taking the blue out. Ooh. I love the smell of Play-Doh. Come up. Oh, you can't come up here.
Can't come up. No. This is like trains?
Yeah.
Watch.
Let me take it out for you.
Like train?
Mm-hmm. Okay. And I'm going to do green.
I'm gonna do what? No, I'm gonna do white.
That's black.
I'm gonna do black for colors.
Okay. Let me help you. Can you take it out on your own? You kind of got to put your fingers in there and take it out. Let me help you. Yeah, I can help you. There you go.
Thank you, Demo.
No.
The white for cars.
Okay, I'm going to make...
That's like why.
Oh, yeah, you could build...
That white too.
Yeah, that's black.
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 The black
Mm-hmm, it's black.
too. That same black.
That's the same color as your car.
That might
Yep, that's yours. They're all yours.
do more.
Oh, you want to take all the rest out? Okay. What are you going to make?
Make the car.
Are you going to make a car?
Huh.
Okay.
Gonna make my car.
I'm going to make...
I got a big car in garage.
You have a lot of cars in the garage?
No. I got one car.
You only have one car?
Uh-huh.
Only one?
In garage.
Oh, in the garage. Do you drive in your car all the time?
I will help you.
Okay, you can help me.
That snake.
You can make a snake. Or you can make a snail.
Hey, the snake. What's our snake? I said, what's our snake?
I'm gonna make